How you doing, guys? I hope you're well. Today I'm going to be doing a salsa. The focus and the star of the dish is the salsa. It's a Peruvian salsa. There's an Argentinian salsa, but I tend to like the Peruvian. It's a more of a vinegar based, and it's got a punch. It's very simple to make, it's quick to make, and it goes very well with beef. In fact, it goes well with any meat, but I just love thinly slices of beef, flash fry it, put it on there. Oh, beautiful. The longer you leave this salsa, the better it tastes. And I love to just serve it with some nice crusty bread. Some grilled crusty bread. Oh man, beautiful. Like I said, it's very simple to make, very quick. It packs a punch, and it's absolutely delicious. And it's so good with beef. So sit back and relax. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that bell. And all the amounts are down below if you want to try and make it. Thanks, guys. Today I'll be cooking up some Peruvian goodness. Peruvian salsa with beef and crusty bread. For the salsa, thinly sliced onion, add to salted water and soak for 30 minutes. This makes the onions nice and sweet. After 30 minutes, drain and let dry. Next, thinly sliced jalapeno and add to the bowl. Followed by cilantro, fresh lime, vinegar, and salt and pepper to taste. Mix well, cover, and let sit at room temperature for about 30 to 40 minutes. For the meat, I'll be using sirloin tip steak, my favourite for this salsa. Also, I'll be grilling some crusty bread. Add olive oil, salt and pepper and mix well. The best way to cook this beef is on a high heat, 1 to 2 minutes per side. When cooked, take out and rest for 2 minutes. Give this a go. It's simple to make and packs a punch. All the amounts are down below. Thanks, guys.